The State Cabinet on Friday approved the draft affidavit on mining activity case, which will be filed in the Supreme Court in the coming week by the State Secretary of Mines, requesting the Apex Court to vacate its ban on mining in Goa.
Briefing media persons at the Assembly Conference Hall, the Chief Minister said that the state government wanted to inform the Supreme Court through the affidavit that false interpretation and improper information of action taken by state government was given by the petitioner on illegal mining.
Affidavit cabinet approval garaz nasta, but this we have mentioned it that this is the cabinet approved affidavit, just to give it a feeling to the concern that the government is fully behind it. Affidavit पेयर interim order 5-10 तारखेक जी पळय दिल्या ती vacate कर म्हणून. It is based on false information given by the petitioner. It is based on mischievous interpretation of various issues, and it is without taking into consideration that this government had already started taking action on illegal mining. Secondly, they have given improper information about government action on the illegal mining, and mentioned that petitioner had always agitated on all these issues before the High Court and Supreme Court a number of times. It is not something new. आम्ही आमचो एक्शन प्लान समोर दवरला आणि सुप्रीम कोर्टाक सांगला की प्रत्येक गजाल चेक केल्या शिवाय आम्ही हे करपाक दिवचे ना. इतलेच न्हय जाल्यार आमी हे तांकां सांगला की तुमकां जाय जाल्यार तुमी एक मॉनिटरिंग मनीस अपॉइंट केल्या जाता, बट लेट स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट डिसाइड.
Mr. Parrikar also said that the affidavit would also point out the errors in the Shah Commission report.
शाह आयोगान नेटान बरयला, सगळे लोक म्हाका सांगतात 35,000 कोटी खंय गेले. कशे 35,000 कॅल्क्युलेट केला ते शाह आयोग स्वताच म्हणटा दिस नीड्स टू बी व्हेरीफाईड म्हणून. If he is saying that it needs to be verified, then how can I act on report which is not verified by him? There are errors there. Whereas we agree that there is a irregularity and there is also manipulation of financial loss. But the figure may not be that, and the reasoning worked out by Shah may not be entirely correct.
Meanwhile, commenting over the Lokayukta Act, Chief Minister said that Lokayukta would act as a determinant for a false complainant and would also take care of serious complaints of maladministrations.
ज्याचे character damage करता तू knowingly by filing a false complaint, he may, not shall, he may ask him to pay him damages. What is wrong in that? Number two, the person who is going to do it is a Supreme Court retired judge. So you need not worry that government will manipulate a fine. And number three, it is only if with knowledge the complainant files a false complaint. There are so many protections kept in that no one should worry to file a complaint which he believes to be genuine.
For accusing him of making false allegations at the State's Assembly winter session. Criticizing the state government, Mr. Tamankar said that Lokayukta amendments would violate human rights. He plans to file petition against the state government in the Supreme Court for protecting recruitment of 29 RTO inspectors.
सगळे पळय जे RSS पळय आहा तितले मनीस यांचेच शॉर्ट पॅन्ट घालपी रे ते ताका सांगूंक सोदता. म्हाका दिसता कदाचित हो खंयच्या BJPच्याच कार्यकर्त्याक बी टार्गेट करता आसतलो, कारण होच शॉर्ट पॅन्ट घालून सध्या थंयसर कांपालार बी भोंवतालो RSSचे कितें पळय फंक्शन आसता पळय तेन्ना. आणि आता म्हाका दिसना की फुडें शॉर्ट पॅन्ट सोडून कदाचित तो ती पिंक पॅन्टूय घालून भोवंक, कित्याक तो मुतालीक तो येतालो पळय गोंयांत तेचे कितें आहा तेची सिंबल पिंक पॅन्ट म्हूण आहा. ज्यो पळय कंप्लेनी बोगस घालपाची संवय आहा म्हटल्या एका मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या ह्या वाक्याचो पयलीं सगळ्यान पयलीं हांव निशेध करता हांगासर. आनी ताका इतलेंच सांगपाक सोदता की गेली 5-7 वर्सां जेन्ना आमी तेच्या वांगडा काम करताले तेन्ना प्रत्येक गोष्टीचे पळय जे कंप्लेनी 50-60 कंप्लेनी त्या कार्यकाळान ज्यो पळय घातल्या तितले प्रत्येक कंप्लेनी ITIचे इन्फॉर्मेशन हांवें घेवन सगळ्यो घातलेल्यो आहा. आनी तितूनच्यो चडश्यो मेजॉरिटीन कंप्लेनी पळय ज्यो आसा त्यो बऱ्या पैकी इस्टाब्लीश जाल्ल्यो आयज विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन.
कोर्टान वचपाक लागलो इन्स्पेक्टराची
सुप्रीम कोर्टान फायल करता मरे अजून येना पेपर हे केलाय न्हू हे चालू आहा सगळे व्हेरीफाय करपाक.
Meanwhile, Kurtorum MLA Alexo Reginaldo Lorenzo said that the government should consider all the stakeholders in the educational field prior to introducing a bill on correspondence education by job seekers. Mr. Parrikar on Friday assured the Assembly to adopt legislation banning all correspondence degree holders from seeking government jobs.
And if education, right to education is to be enforced, I think if there is a college which has got recognition, that I don't think anybody can do away with that. Secondly, there is a IGNOU college also, and I know how tough it is to get admissions there. So I don't think all these issues have to be addressed. If at all he brings some amendment, we will see how best we can oppose it. Not only that, we will. It is better we take the stakeholders into confidence.